I'm PamOnSunset. Today we're making chocolate spoons. Get excited! We're making white chocolate spoons. Today's YouTube inspiration is Crazy Hacker. They have all sorts of cool videos. Go check them out. The other inspiration for this video is Alex's mom. She had Alex's nieces and I and his aunt made these chocolate spoons when I was home for Christmas, and that's what we were making in my vlog if you watched it a couple weeks ago. I thought this was the perfect thing to test out right now when it's like the end of winter and you're really sick of it, so you need like a little something extra cute to jazz up your hot chocolate. Let's find out the real deal on this DIY, shall we? For today's tutorial you need a spoon mold and chocolate of choice. The first step that Crazy Hacker did was to do a double boiler. If you don't have a double boiler, you can make your own. That's what Crazy Hacker actually did. So he put a bowl over a pot that had water in it, and then you let it boil, and then the stuff in the top should melt like this. First double boil, a success! Yeah! Next he poured it into the mold. Yay! Then you let it cool in the fridge for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later. So these are in here. I'm just gonna pop them out. While I was waiting, I just cut up a little bit of apple and strawberry. Oh, it's so cute. Oh. Oops. I didn't know my own strength. Ooh. Mmm. So the next step that he did was just to add some whipped cream. I think he made his, but I'm actually going to use this in some hot chocolate. So I'm only going to do this on one spoon. Fruit on it. Oh, it's a little spoon. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, yes. And now I eat it. Delicious. Whipped cream, white chocolate, and fruit all has sugar in it, so it's a lot of bit of sugar. Here's the real deal on this DIY. Tip number 1. Make sure that you actually get the chocolate in the mold. I thought that like if I just swept it across that it would break off around the spoon easily enough, but it's not that easy. Tip number 2, when you're taking the spoons out, I would go from underneath and do it really slowly, because just basically keep in mind that at least one of these is gonna crack. Tip number 3, I think you could just keep these as spoons and put them in your hot chocolate if you're having like a fun sleepover, or just like having your own little party, cozy party. You want just like a little extra sugar in your chocolate. Or like if you're having like a cocktail party, then you could do what Crazy Hacker did and put the whipped cream on it and put the fruit on it. Or keep it as a dessert for yourself. Overall, I think this is worth it. You do have to buy the mold, which is like a little tiny bit expensive, but if you're gonna make this more than once, totally worth it. And it was pretty easy. And I double boiled something. Mwah! Okay, that's it. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button and join the Pam fam. Leave a comment down below if you think you would use this. Would you put it in your hot chocolate? Would you do it with whipped cream? Let me know. And make sure you follow me on social media. I'm PamOnSunset across the board. Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, anything you think of. That's me. So much sugar, so much sugar, so much sugar, so much sugar.